bit. Right, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to do a DIY project. You might have seen this in some of my videos, the cover for my laptop. So basically all it is just some stickers that I just stick on there and then cut the sides off so it looks like it's a proper cover. But today I'll show you how to put a new one on. So we're going to use some Marvel Superman kind of esque stickers that cost like 15 RMB for like 50, which is about $2. So I bought about 3 packs of them and we're going to go through it today. What you're going to need is a knife, hairdryer to get the old ones off because they're stuck on, and a lot of stickers, and you're good. First step, we're going to have to get all the stickers off, hairdryer it a little bit, use a knife to go underneath and just peel them off. Second step is just to stick them on. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we're nearly at 1,000 subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe, and when we hit 1,000 I will do an Amazon card giveaway. So subscribe and be in a chance to win one of them. So first thing we need to do is get this off. You can peel it a little bit, but it's a lot easier if you heat it up first. But be careful not to overheat your laptop as you screw the screen up. So I've done this about 3 times. So the marks behind don't really matter to me because I'm just going to cover it up anyway. But if you wanted to, you could get off all the stickiness. But I don't think there's much need if you're just going to cover it back up again. Right, so there you have it. Taking all the stickers off, and now we're going to get on to putting all these on it. And there you go, you're done. You have your new laptop cover. Right, okay, so the basic idea I'm going to go with is all the big blocky ones are going to be at the back for like a little backing. And the ones that are like this, yeah, are going to go on the front to be a bit more colourful and a bit more design worthy, I guess. So you just start sticking. Oh, and one thing you have to remember is your laptop will open this way. So your design, when you're looking at it, make sure your computer is the right way around. So when you open it, you can see it like that, okay? So always have the laptop facing away from you when you open it. But with these big square stickers. Just put them down to cover a lot of space, because at the end of it I don't think they'll look that good if they were just by themselves on the top layer. Okay, I'm pretty sure I got most of the bulky ones out of the way. So next we're going to do these circle ones, because they don't look that good on the top. So we're going to do that now. Just try and cover as much of the back of the computer as you can with the stickers you don't really like, or you don't think will look so good if they're the main part of the cover. Right, okay, so we have the basic background done. And now, time to make it look a little bit better, fill in some spots, and make it generally just a little bit more appealing to the eye. So, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, we're done. We're done with that. Now we just have the last part of trimming the edges off. Okay, my knife is not sharp. Let's try it this way. This knife is not sharp. And make sure you have some stickers left over, just so if you do make a mistake when you're cutting, you can cover it up. And there you go. We are finished. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and if you want to see more DIY stuff, comment down below and I'll do some more for you guys. So until the next time, I'll see ya.